One of the hardest things after a loved one passes is the fact that there's just this emptiness. You want to be able to see your loved one. You want to be able to feel your loved one, hear your loved one, have them around. There's just this void, and it's so hard. And that's why I see so many of my clients. They come just wanting to know that the person they loved so deeply and so much is still around. That being said, there's lots of ways your loved ones try to make their presence known. One of the things I hear so often is that people smell them. They get a whiff of cigarette smoke. They get a whiff of someone's perfume or cologne. They might smell the apple pie baking or smell the fresh flowers that would whiff into their loved one's kitchen that grew on their property. There's usually a smell, and the reason being is that smells, they trigger that instinctual memory. If you think about your loved one, when I think about my grandfather, all I remember is the smell of his smoke. He was a heavy smoker, and when he first passed, that was one of the first things that came in loud and clear. My Uncle Denny, who lived in New York City, I oddly always smell Indian food with him. It's the weirdest thing. We went to one Indian restaurant when I was with him, but it's something that sticks with me. That, or I also smell fresh bagels. But I smell foods. He was a foodie, and that's what comes in when he comes in to say hello. So you may be smelling those things. It hits that instinctual brain, that part of you that is just core to your being. It's the animal brain. And it is something where they can come in and they try to make their presence known. So next time you smell the apple pie out of nowhere or the cigarette smoke, don't just dismiss it as, oh, I wonder where that came from. Someone must be baking, or, oh, I must be just imagining it. Catch that smell on the air and know that it very well could be your loved ones coming in to say hello, and that they love you and that they miss you. The signs are all around. You've just got to be looking for them. So, what signs have your loved ones left you recently? You like what you're seeing? Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, or email or Facebook me. I'll be sure to answer. Thanks again for watching.